Welcome back to Revenue. Join me as I take on the 100 Envelope Challenge to see just how much I can boost my savings in 100 days.
I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait, hold up.
Did you know that the average American saves only about 3% of their income? That's a staggering statistic, especially when you think about how much of an impact saving just a little bit more each month can have on your financial future. The 100 Envelope Challenge is a fun and effective way to boost your savings, and I'm excited to share it with you today. The basic idea is to divide your savings goal into smaller, manageable chunks and then challenge yourself to save a certain amount each week. We've all been there. Living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like we're never going to get ahead. It's hard to know where to start when it comes to saving, and it's easy to put it off until tomorrow. But the truth is, saving money doesn't have to be complicated. It's really just a matter of making it a priority and finding a system that works for you. One of the biggest obstacles to saving is simply getting started. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the idea of saving thousands of dollars, but when you break it down into smaller goals, it suddenly feels much more achievable. And let's be honest, saving can be boring. It's not always the most exciting thing to think about, but the 100 Envelope Challenge adds a fun twist that can help make it more engaging. The challenge is also a great way to identify areas where you can cut back and make some changes to your spending habits. When you start paying attention to where your money is going, you might be surprised at how much you can save just by making a few small changes. Saving money is all about creating healthy habits and being intentional with your spending. The 100 Envelope Challenge works like this. You number 100 envelopes and then fill each one with a certain amount of money. You can also purchase a binder from Amazon, Temu, Shein, Etsy, just to name a few places. I purchased mine off of Amazon.com, and I'll provide the link to the binder in the description box below. It's a simple but effective way to save over $5,000 in just a year. Or you can do it under a year. You can do it within the 3 months. You could do it within 6 months. It's totally up to you. Imagine what you can do with that kind of money. Pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or make a big purchase you've been putting off. For me, this is my way to build an emergency fund. The possibilities are endless. You can also customize the challenge to fit your needs and goals, whether that means saving more or less each week, or adjusting the length of the challenge. This is my third time doing this challenge. I have completed it and seen amazing results. One time I was able to save over $10,000 in just a few months, and it completely transformed my financial situation. I went from feeling stressed and overwhelmed to feeling confident and in control. It's amazing what can happen when you make saving a priority and find a system that works for you. I want to encourage you to take the 100 Envelope Challenge and see what kind of impact it can have on your savings. Remember, it's all about creating healthy habits and being intentional with your spending. With this challenge, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching, and I love to hear your thoughts on the 100 envelope challenge in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips on budgeting and saving, be sure to check out my other videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.